In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ring circle border around profile picture using Canva. We're making a clean circular profile picture with a neat ring around it, perfect for social media, resumes, or theme pages. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Choose custom size, and enter 1080 by 1080 pixels, then create the design. A square canvas like this ensures your circle fits perfectly and stays crisp across different platforms. Next, add the circular frame that will hold your photo. On the left sidebar, click Elements. In the search bar, type Frames, then select the basic circle frame, the one that looks like a circle with a small mountain icon inside. Drop it onto your canvas and resize it by dragging the corners so it fills your space the way you want. Keeping it centered will help your final image look polished. Now, insert your photo. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click Uploads, add your profile picture, and then drag it right into the circle frame on your canvas. It will automatically snap into the circle. Double-click the image to adjust it inside the frame. You can reposition your face to be nicely centered and use the handles to scale or crop until it feels balanced. Aim to keep your eyes roughly in the top third for a flattering composition. Let's customize the border. With the circle frame selected, look to the top editor toolbar for the stroke style or border icon. Increase the weight to set the thickness of your ring, thin for subtle, thicker for a bold pop. Click the color tile to choose your border color. Solid colors work great for clarity, and gradients can add a modern touch. Consider a shade that complements your brand colors or contrasts against your photo so the ring is clearly visible. If you see a corner rounding option, you can use that to soften the edges where available. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select PNG or JPG. PNG is a great choice for crisp quality, while JPG can be smaller in file size. Keep the size at 1080 by 1080 for best results, and you're ready to upload it wherever you need a standout profile image. That's it. Thanks for watching.